Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be a memory plan with me. I haven't shared one of these in what feels like forever. For those of you that are unfamiliar with the current memory planner that I'm using this one from Michaels. It is a spiral vertical neutral layout. Neutral meaning that each of the spreads has this gray scale, which I love, which means any stickers that I use will go great with it. It is 18 months. It started in July of this year and goes all the way to December of 2021. I'm typically not too fond of 18-month planners, but because I'm using this for memory planning, it will work just fine. Another feature I love about this planner is that at the end of the month, there is this notes page that I use to mark the highlight and cover the month in general, what really stood out to me. So I love that space for that. And when it comes to planning, I like to plan ahead in my planner. So I have spreads. Let's flip to October. I have spreads that are already mapped out. So here we have one here. This is from Simply Me Kish. I believe these stickers are from Simply Me Kish as well. This Beyonce sticker was a limited release from Brooklyn Post. So I don't know if she's going to release them again, but check out her shop. These down here are from the Jewel Box. So I need to finish this spread. And then this one here is Official Halloween Week. This is from Simply Me Kish. Then we move into November. And yes, I have Miss Harris on the page. And then I have this spread that I need to finish. This spread here, these stickers are from A Glittery Life Plans. This is actually like a mini kit. I just moved the full boxes around with the half boxes and I can fill in and of course add in my icon stickers. That's what I'm really into right now. Putting the stickers down as a base and then adding in my icons as that week comes up. I prefer to plan ahead because not every week I want to sit down and map out a spread. And because I have so many pages, stickers that I have come in, I can easily fill them in and put them wherever it is that I want. So I have stickers here for the week of Thanksgiving. And this is going to be the kit I'm using from Sweet Fox Papery. And then moving into December, I have this Christmas kit that I'm going to be using from Sweet Fox Papery as well. Berry Christmas. And then I have two other Christmas spreads in here that are from Simply Me Kish. Then we move into January and I'm going to be using a third Sweet Fox Papery kit, which is Inhale Weekly. And then this one, which is from Gooseby Twins. They've added a lot more stickers to their shop. They are mainly known for their spiral planners, but this was one of the first sticker kits they released and I jumped on it, got it, all that good stuff. So that is that. I do have another order coming in. I honestly don't remember the shop. Let me see. I ordered it. You know, there's always some type of sale going on. So I don't know if I ordered any other Christmas kits. I don't think I did. So let me see. I ordered from Letters to Apollo. And I will have these shops that I am talking about in the description box for you guys to check out. So I just got a Glow, a Comfy, and a Reset kit from Letters to Apollo. So nothing too seasonal. So those are going to be basically plugged into 2021. And then for this week here, the first week of December, if I find another Christmas light kit, I can put that here. And I am also looking for a New Year's kit to put here for 2021. So let's go ahead and get to planning. Grab your planner, guys. Let's get into it. that's it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have links to related videos, the link to Sweet Fox Papery for you guys to check out her shop, and of course the links to the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.